Good morning, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question. Question number 13. The instruction here says complete each of the following sentences with the most appropriate of the options lettered A to E, and we are using this instruction to answer question 11 to 20. And the sentence here says she contracted dash because she was promiscuous. She contracted dash because she was promiscuous. Option A, diarrhea. Option B, gonorrhea. Option C, malaria. Option D, tuberculosis. Option E, typhoid. However, typhoid cannot be contacted by being promiscuous, because being promiscuous means having having multiple multi multiple sex pattern or partner sex part partners. So we cannot contact one. She cannot contact typhoid by having multiple sex part partners. Then she cannot also contact tuberculosis as a result of many sex partners. Then she cannot also contact malaria by having many sex partners. Then the same thing applicable to diarrhea, but she can contact gonorrhea by having many or multiple sex partners. So we can say that she contracted gonorrhea because she was promiscuous. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.